Today, we'll be going through the steps on how to use the expense estimator. This is available for all students and is used as a calculator to estimate what is owed for the school year. First is the student information. When it comes to resident status, the student will list if they are a resident of Iowa or a non-resident. Below that, the student can put in what class they are and then list their major. Next is the housing information. Here is where the student will list if they will be living in a dorm, suite, university apartment, or off-campus housing. If the student will be living on campus, they can put exactly where they will be living. Then they will click if it is a double or single room, and if there is an AC or not. Finally, click which meal plan the student will be using. This information will help you get more accurate numbers in order to budget. Below, you will see space to enter your fixed costs. These could be additional costs you want to include in your budget, such as textbooks, SciCash, and other education-related expenses. Now onto the financial information. Here is where the student will put in the exact numbers they received in grants and scholarships, if applicable. These are listed in the financial aid offer. If the student received outside scholarships, list those amounts too. The student should also factor in the loan amounts that they are eligible for, which is listed in the financial aid offer as well. If you don't plan to use all of your loan options, only list what you are thinking about borrowing. Once you have filled out all your costs and aid options, click Estimate. This will then give you a breakdown of your total expenses per term and what aid you have each term. It will calculate the difference between your costs and aid to give you any remaining expenses you may need to cover. If the estimator shows a difference in red, that is the amount you will still need to cover each term. If the estimator shows a difference in green, that is an anticipated refund amount. Just keep in mind that these are estimates until the official U-bill is available starting August 1st. Tuition, fees, room, board, and all other costs may change. If you have any more questions on how to use the expense estimator, call our office or come in to meet with an advisor.